Everybody, this is Reno coming at you again. I just finished writing this. I love it. I like it. If you don't like it, I guess you can go ahead and comment and tell me you don't like it. But really don't care. I think it is just pretty freaking sweet. So I call this The Gift. And do not ask me where the inspiration for this came from, because I will not tell you. The Gift. You make me sick. And I'm not talking about that OMG you're getting on my freaking nerves. I'm talking your swag so sick it makes me sick. I'm saying you must be contagious. And maybe I caught it from you when we shared a kiss in my dreams, or maybe our hands touched the same goals and we covered our mouths in awe as we saw God's plan unfold once we realized that things are not always as they may seem. Or maybe it's because we sat at the same table and we both ate from the same loaf, which is the bread of life, and we drank from the same cup that God allows to overflow because we both understand the concept of cream. Christ rules everything around me. Christ moves everything around me. Christ is everything inside me. And it's God's light that blinds me as it shines through you. And it's that man of God that draws me to you. It's that swag that only a man of God can produce. And it most definitely looks good on you. But not only do you have swag, but babe, you know how to worship. And you usher in the Holy Ghost at the start of every service. You set the tone with your worship. You bring your spirit man to the surface. And you allow God to speak through you. You not only love God, but you also love His people. You understand that we're all different, but you treat everyone as equals. You cause me to become speechless as your vocabulary hypnotizes my mind with its intellectual features. You are not only a student, but you know how to be a teacher. And when you smile, I can mistake it for a paparazzi. Because every time you flash it, I can't help but cover my face. See, after all, there's no need to let everybody in the room know I'm blushing because of you. There's no need to let everybody in the room know I'm sitting thinking of you. And there's just this godly aroma that you leave with every step you take. You captivate my senses. God, please say this ain't no mistake. But I can't help but want to get to know that man was in the flesh, because your spirit man outshines your look and the way you dress. You take my breath away. I need some windows open for ventilation. Your compliments caress my heart and leave a tingling sensation. You arrived just as I was ending my chapter of restoration. You made me realize I was living out my revelation. And I lie here in bed, stomach aching, head pounding because of how sick you made me. But I think I might just be glad with what I might have caught from you, or rather what you gave me, or rather what God is finally presenting to each of us.